Welcome to the channel, kids. How are you today? Today we are going to draw a cardboard knife. I hope you like it. Before that, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start it. You see, there's a boy with a cardboard horse and a helmet. We color the face, the body, the arms with pink color, or maybe you can use other color, for example white or gray, any color you like. You can color the hair with yellow or red, any color you like it. And now the helmet, you can color it with blue like this. It looks pretty. And the shirt, we color the shirt with green. And of course the trouser and the shoes. Hey Dewey, do you like to play with cardboard? You can create horses, you can create houses, or you can create cars. Have you tried it, kid? I think you should try that at home. Of course, with your parents. Now we color the cardboard horses with gray color. Like that. It looks nice so far. There we go. Don't forget the shoes. We color the shoes with red. And the shoelaces. And finally the background. Very beautiful, right? Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you like it. See you on next video, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye bye kids.